How to trim a video on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to trim a video on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first step is make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open the Snapchat app and then you should upload a video. So for example, you need to upload, you just simply click on the upload button found on the left side of record or capture and then choose the video that you want. So, for example, I will choose this video. I'll simply click on it and then click on this pencil button or the edit button found on the lower left corner of the screen. So once you have clicked that, you should wait for it to load and then you may be able to see this picture or icon right here. So what you're going to do is simply click on that icon and then you may be able to see two buttons on the left side and on the right side. So on the left side, this is the starting point. So whenever you drag this button, this will be the starting point of your video. And then on the right side is the end point of your video. So you need to drag it as well, like this one. And then, as you can see, the video now has been trimmed. So click anywhere on this screen, and then you may add your text, your scribbles, stickers, and many more. And then you may send it um to your friends, or you may post it to your stories as well. So that's it. That's how you can trim a video on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.